Today I want to talk to you about sneaker cleaning products, the professional cleaning products that are marketed to me, to you, the sneakerhead, and explain to you why they're bullshit. They are marketed to us and they are preying on our fear of destroying our beloved sneakers. And I also want to tell you a much cheaper way to do the same exact thing that these products actually do. So every sneaker cleaner that's actually a good sneaker cleaner is typically made of natural oils, glycerin, and sometimes an aroma, sometimes an essential oil for aroma, or in Jason Mark's case, a horrible fake Axe body wash type aroma that I guess they think people like. I hate it, gives me a headache. Rejuvenator doesn't use any aroma at all, and that's totally fine. But there is a product that has been around for centuries that is the same thing, natural oils and glycerin, and sometimes an essential oil for aroma, and that is Castile soap. It doesn't have to be Dr. Bronner's Castile soap either, okay? It can be any Castile soap. That is basically the ingredients that I'm talking about. Okay, there's coconut oil, jojoba oil, what other kind of oils are in this one? Palm kernel oil, hemp seed oil. It's just natural oils, and glycerin are like the main things. Natural oils to clean and protect, and the glycerin is what makes the bubbles. So instead of spending a lot of money on Rejuvenator, on Jason Mark's, and by the way, the other one with the guy that always says, what does he say? You just saved yourself $150. Entertaining videos, great. Okay, the actual product itself has way less product for you to use at a much higher cost per product. I made a video doing a test on all these things. You could see it on my YouTube if you want. I don't remember what it is per ounce or per whatever that I did on the video. That one was extremely expensive compared to the others because of how inefficient it is, because it is providing foam already. If you're making your own foam from a soap, then you get more for your money. That product already makes the foam, so you're just stuck with the foam, and once the foam is gone, it's gone. So I would suggest for anyone really that's a sneaker lover to have just some Castile soap of any brand of your choice, as long as it's a good Castile soap, on hand, and a medium bristle brush. Okay, little bowl, put a little cold water in there, mix it up real good, because Castile soap tends to need a lot of help getting bubbled up. Once you get it bubbled up, just do the whole shoe with a medium bristle brush. You don't need 18 freaking brushes like Rejuvenator's trying to convince you, okay? You just need one. Just don't push hard. You'll be fine. Rejuvenator's trying to sell us like a brush, like holder dryers to dry the brush. What is that? Can I just leave the brush like this? Let it air dry? Like, what the f? Now, I'm talking specifically about leather, the leather products that we know and love, and also the non-leather synthetic products that we know and love. There's a lot of vinyl out there that we don't even realize. They call it what do they call it? PU or faux leather. Typically, it's vinyl. Actually, the shoe that I'm making here is made out of 3 purses that I got from a thrift store, and I think that at least one of them are vinyl, but you can't tell. And it still cleans up very, very nice. But when it comes to your actual leather products One other thing that you should have on hand, especially if you're a professional, once you're done cleaning, if it is a good quality leather, is some neat's foot oil. Okay, neat's foot oil. Neat's foot oil is one of the best conditioners out there, and it is very safe on leather, and it does not smell great, but just follow the instructions. Clean first and then use the neat's foot oil, and the shoe is going to look fantastic. Anyway, that's something that I wanted to talk about today. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about my secret to cleaning tongues and how I can get them looking factory clean. Tune in for that. Peace.
Whoops, whoops, whoops.